Denarong ahawar kedo Mount Sinai English Higher Secondary School pinning an ningkani ko rapho arta kechok mate Sirwal Jubilee nang mansi Denarong ahawar kedo an school aphan chop haponsi under 17 lapen 13 ariso atuma phan inter school football championship Bharat Pathuak lamalong kapaman pona birta naretuma pherang ke Rajiv Pepen birta nang palipong Mount Sinai English Higher Secondary School lake Denarong ahawar pen keme sen ang theke wan ponwer high school Bangso sekolah long pensi ke damtang ingdeng kep astat lang ang tek sedame karbiang nung angkang pipen ke cengsi ka cepalong ponai school lo. Lasong si bangso school pensi pinang an munit nang man pon lo. Bangso school pinning an ningkan ko rapho arta ke chok mate Sirwal Jubilee an nang plengsi ada por phai ke por pen Mount Sinai English Higher Secondary School Sirwal Jubilee alama principal Sudhir Tiga Lapen SMC President Deben Suren Pensi Lama Pangjar Ponsi under 17 Lapen 13 Ariswa Tumaphan Inter School Football Championship Kapatu Pangtingpo Keching Siarani Mount Sinai English Higher Secondary School Lapen Denarong Higher Secondary School Angbongsi Kapatu Pangtingpo Bang Swalong Denarong Higher Secondary School atom ketek mutura jok Keching Siarani along Chipahai Pon Manpeng Aluhi Kasa Organization Secretary Board Sinkro, Tourism Board Chairman Anparta, DSA President Dharam Sinkro, Secretary Dharam Singh Ingti, Denarong KCS Jona Meipu, Sarthi Terang, Mount Sinai Lothan Bang Pubang Piatum Setong Donsi, Ingsam Jinpen Pachunpo.
A song of gratitude and praise for His wondrous love and care. For His gracious caring, let us sing a song of joy. For His wondrous love and care, for His gracious caring, every twinkle in our eyes, 20 and 5 years of joy, 20 and 5 years of joy.
Good morning to everyone. Today, the 24th of August, we have inaugurated our school Mount Sinai Higher Secondary School's Silver Jubilee program by lighting the lamp, paying homage, and by hosting the Jubilee flag. And some days ago, there was a meeting, and in that meeting, the Jubilee Committee has decided or taken the resolution to have year-long activities. And today, with the grand inauguration, and after declaring the Jubilee year, we are going forward to conduct the first activity, that is inter-school football championship in 2 different categories, under 17 and under 13 of this Dengaon area. This will be followed by quiz competition, that also will be inter-school quiz competition the next month. And after 2 months, we are going to organize science exhibition and art competition also for the school students of our Dengaon area. And by the end of this year, there will be grand celebration where there will be alumni meet, there will be parents guardians meet, and lastly there will be a conclusion ceremony. And this way we have planned to celebrate our school's Silver Jubilee program. Thank you.